Hello dear student. Now exercise 5.2, question number 12. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their hundredth term is 100. What is the difference between their thousandth term? Okay. So हमें यहाँ पे AP की 100 टर्म के लिए डिफरेंस दिया हुआ है 100. ओके. एंड हमें 1000 टर्म के लिए डिफरेंस कितना होगा ये हमें फाइंड करना है. फाइन. सो लेट फर्स्ट AP is A1, A2, A3 up to so on AN, and second AP is B1, B2, B3 up to so on Bn. Okay. So first AP is A1, A2, A3 up to so on An, and second AP is B1, B2, B3 up to so on Bn. The common difference of this APs B small d. Okay. The common difference of this AP B small d. Now for first term or first AP, for first AP 100 term, A100 is equal to A plus 99D, and A1000 is equal to A plus 999D by using a general form of AP. Okay. Now for second AP, B100 is equal to B plus 99D, and B1000 is equal to B plus 999D. Okay. Now given that difference between hundredth term of this AP is 100. Okay. Given that difference between 100th term of this AP is 100. Okay. So A100 minus B100 is equal to 100. Value of A100 is equal to A plus 99D minus B100 is equal to B plus 99D is equal to 100. Okay. So A plus 99D minus B minus plus minus 99D is equal to 100. Plus 99D minus 99D cancel out. So A minus B is equal to 100. Equation number 1. Okay. So A minus B is equal to 100. Equation number 1. Now for thousandth term, difference between thousandth terms of this APs A1000 minus B1000. Okay. So value of A1000 is equal to, by using a general form of AP, A plus 999D minus B1000 is B plus 999D So A plus 999D minus B plus minus minus 999D plus 99D minus 99D cancel, A minus B. Okay. Now from equation number 1, value of A minus B is equal to 100. Okay. So this difference A minus B is equal to 100. Okay. So hence the difference between thousandth terms of this AP will be 100. Now question number 13. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Okay. So हमें यहाँ पे n की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. Now 3-digit number starting from 100 and complete at 999. Okay. The first 3-digit number that is divisible by 7 is 105. Okay. First 3-digit number 105 is divisible by 7. Now for next number हम यहाँ पे 7 ऐड करेंगे. So next number कौन सा होगा? 112. थर्ड नंबर कौन सा आएगा? 119. एंड लास्ट नंबर कौन सा आएगा? 994. ओके. सो फर्स्ट नंबर इज 105 and the last number is 994. Now by using a standard form, by using a general form of AP, value of A1 is equal to 105. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 112 minus 105 is equal to 7, and last term AN is equal to 994. Okay. So here AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Last term AN is equal to 994 is equal to first term 105 plus total number of term n हमें फाइंड करना है. So n minus 1 as it is, and common difference is 7. So 994 is equal to 105 plus 7 into n minus 1. So 994 minus 105 is equal to 7 into n minus 1. So 994 minus 105 is equal to 889 is equal to 7 into n minus 1. Okay. So 889 divided by 7 is equal to n minus 1. Okay. So 889 divided by 7, answer is 127 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to 127 plus 1 is equal to 128. Okay. So value of n is equal to 128. Therefore 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Okay. So 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Now question number 14. How many multiple of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Okay. 10 and 250 के बीच में जितने भी 4 के मल्टीपल है वो हमें फाइंड करने हैं. 10 and 250 के बीच में फर्स्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 कौन सा नंबर होगा? 12. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट नंबर के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, 12 + 4, सो नेक्स्ट नंबर कौन सा होगा, 16, थर्ड नंबर कौन सा होगा, 20, एंड लास्ट नंबर कौन सा होगा, मल्टीपल ऑफ 4, 248. ओके, सो सीरीज इज 12, 16, 20 up to so on 248. So by using the general form, a1 is equal to a is equal to 12, common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to 16 minus 12 is equal to 4, and value of an last term is equal to 248. Now by using a general form of AP, here an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, value of an 248 is equal to value of a first term is 12 plus total number of term हमें find करने, so n minus 1 as it is, and common difference d is 4. Okay, so 248 minus 12 is equal to 4 into n minus 1. 248 minus 12, 236 is equal to 4 into n minus 1. So 236 divided by 4 is equal to n minus 1. So 236 divided by 4 is 59 is equal to n minus 1. So 59 plus 1 is equal to n. So n is equal to 60. Okay, so value of n is equal to 60. Therefore there are 60 multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. Okay, so there are 60 multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. Question number 15. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 up to so on, and 3, 10, 17 up to so on equal? Okay, so ऐसी कौन सी n की वैल्यू के लिए nth terms of two APs are equal? Now for AP 63, 65, 67 up to so on, value of first term a1 is equal to a equal to 63, common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to 65 minus 63 is equal to 2. Now for nth term of the AP by using a standard form, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, value of a equal to 63 plus n minus 1 as it is, and common difference d is 2. 63 plus n into 2, 2n minus 2, 63 minus 2, 61 plus 2n. Okay, equation number 1. For first AP, value of an is equal to 61 plus 2n, equation number 1. Now for AP 3, 10, 17, value of a1 is equal to a equal to 3, common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. By using a standard form, value of an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. By using a general form, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Value of a is 3, n minus 1, and common difference d is 7. 3 plus n into 7, 7n minus 1 into 7, 7. Okay, so 7n minus 3 minus 7 minus 4, equation number 2. Now for second AP, value of an is 7n minus 4. Now it is given that nth term of this APs are equal to each other, okay. Now equating both this equation, we obtain from equation number 1 and 2, value of first n is 61 plus 2n is equal to 7n minus 4. okay, so 61 minus 4 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे तो कन्वर्ट इंटू प्लस 4, एंड 7n 2n को शिफ्ट करेंगे सो माइनस 2n. 61 plus 4, 65 is equal to 7n minus 2n, 5n. So n is equal to 65 divided by 5 is equal to 13. Okay, so therefore 13th term of both these APs are equal to each other. Now question number 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. हमें यहाँ पे ऐसा AP फाइंड करना है जिनका थर्ड टर्म 16 हो एंड सेवंथ टर्म फिफ्थ टर्म से 12 ज़्यादा हो. ओके, सो हमें यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है थर्ड टर्म इज 16, सो वैल्यू ऑफ A3 इज इक्वल टू 16. बाय यूजिंग अ जनरल फॉर्म A3 इज इक्वल टू A प्लस 2D इज इक्वल टू 16. इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Okay, now second condition is the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Okay, so value of A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. Okay, A7 minus A5 is equal to 12. By using a general form, value of A7 is equal to A plus 6D minus A5 is equal to A plus 4D is equal to 12. Okay, so A plus 6D minus A plus minus minus 4D is equal to 12. Plus A minus A cancel. 6D minus 4D is equal to 2D is equal to 12. So D is equal to 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So value of common difference D is equal to 6. Now from equation number 1, we obtain A plus 2D is equal to 16. A plus 2 common difference D is 6 is equal to 16. a plus 6 to the 12 is equal to 16. So a is equal to 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. So common difference d is 6 and first term a equal to 4. Value of a equal to 4 and common difference d is equal to 6. Now for AP, a1 is equal to a equal to 4. For a2, by using a general form, a2 is equal to a plus d. So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Now for third term, a3 is equal to a plus 2d. Value of a equal to 4 plus 2 time common difference d is 6. 4 plus 12 is equal to 16. Therefore AP will be 4, 10, 16, 22 up to so on. Now question number 17. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 up to so on 253. ओके, सो हमें यहाँ पे लास्ट टर्म से 20th टर्म कौन सा होगा वो हमें फाइंड करना है. फाइन. सो गिवन AP is 3, 8, 13 up to so on 253. Okay, the common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, so common difference d is equal to 5. हमें यहाँ पे लास्ट टर्म से 20th टर्म कौन सा होगा ये फाइंड करना है. फाइन. दिस AP can be written in reverse order as 253, 248, 243 up to 3. Okay, so value of first term a1 is equal to a is equal to 253. Common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1. Value of a2 is equal to 248 minus 253 is equal to minus 5 and हमें 20th टर्म फाइंड करनी है. सो वैल्यू ऑफ n इक्वल टू 20. ओके, now by using the general form of AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Value of a 253 plus n equal to 20. 20 minus 1 into common difference d is minus 5. So 253 plus 20 minus 1, 19 into minus 5. So 253 minus plus minus minus 19 5s are 95. Okay, so 253 minus 95 158. Okay, therefore 20th term a20 20th term from the last term is 158. Value of a20 is equal to 158. Now question number 18. The sum of the 4th term and 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th term and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. So हमें यहाँ पे वैल्यू ऑफ a1, a2 एंड a3 फाइंड करना है. फर्स्ट 3 टर्म AP के लिए फाइंड करना है। फर्स्ट कंडीशन, वैल्यू ऑफ और सम ऑफ द फोर्थ टर्म एंड एट्थ टर्म of an AP is 24. So A4 plus A8 is equal to 24 and A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Okay, so by using a general form of AP, A4 is equal to A plus 3D and A8 is equal to A plus 7D is equal to 24. A plus A 2A plus 7D plus 3D 10D is equal to 24. So 2 को यहाँ से कैंसिल करेंगे, so A plus 5D is equal to 12, equation number 1. Okay, value of A6 by using a general form, A6 is equal to A plus 5D. For A10, A plus 9D is equal to 44. Okay, A plus A 2A, 9D plus 5D 14D is equal to 44. Okay, so 2 को यहाँ से कैंसिल करेंगे, so A plus 7D is equal to 22, equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 and 2, by using elimination method, we get equation number 1, A plus 5D is equal to 12, the A plus 7D is equal to 22. Okay, so A plus 5D is equal to 12 and A plus 7D is equal to 22. Minus plus A minus A cancel, 5D minus 7D minus 2D, 12 minus 22 minus 10, minus cancel, 2D is equal to 10, D is equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5. Okay, so common difference D is equal to 5. Now from equation number 1, value of D is equal to 5. So in equation, put D is equal to 5. A plus 5D is equal to 12. A plus 5, common difference D is equal to 5 is equal to 12. So A plus 25 is equal to 12. So A is equal to 12 minus 25 is equal to minus 13. Okay, so value of common difference D is equal to 5 and A is equal to minus 13. So here value of A is equal to minus 13 and common difference D is equal to 5. Now for first term, A1 is equal to A is equal to minus 13. Second term, A2 is equal to A plus D, value of A minus 13 plus common difference D 5. So A2 is equal to minus 8. For A3 is equal to A plus 2D, value of A minus 13 plus 2, common difference D is 5. Minus 13 plus 10 is equal to minus 3. Okay, so value of A is equal to A1 is equal to minus 13, value of A2 is equal to minus 8 and value of A3 is equal to minus 3. Okay, so the first three terms of this AP are -13, -8 and -3. Now question number 19. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? So हमें यहाँ पे n की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. So here A1 is equal to A is equal to 5,000. Common difference D is equal to 200 rupees because of every year 200 rupees का इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है. ओके, AN is equal to 7,000 rupees. ओके, सो वैल्यू ऑफ AN is equal to 7,000. सो हम सपोज करेंगे लेट आफ्टर nth year his salary be rupees 7,000. okay, so value of AN is equal to 7,000. fine. Now by using the general form of AP, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Value of AN 7,000 is equal to value of A 5,000 plus n हमें फाइंड करना है, so n minus 1 as it is, and common difference is 200 rupees. okay, 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 200 into n minus 1. 7,000 minus 5,000, 2,000 is equal to 200 into n minus 1. So 2,000 divided by 200 is equal to n minus 1. 0 0 cancel. okay, 10 2s are 20. So 10 is equal to n minus 1. So value of n is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. okay, therefore in 11th year his salary will be 7,000. in 11th year his salary will be 7,000. Now last question number 20. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings becomes rupees 20.75, find the value of n. okay, given that value of A1 is equal to A is equal to 5, common difference D is equal to 1.75. कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है एवरी वीक? 1.75. and value of AN is equal to 20.75. find the value of n. okay, so by using general form of AP, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. general form of AP, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. value of AN 20.75 is equal to value of A 5 plus n minus 1 and common difference D 1.75. okay, so 20.75 minus 5 is equal to 1.75 into n minus 1. 20.75 minus 5, 15.75 is equal to 1.75 into n minus 1. Okay, so 15.75 divided by 1.75 is equal to n minus 1. सिंपल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, सो 1575 डिवाइड बाय 100 होल डिवाइड बाय 175 डिवाइड बाय 100. ओके, सो 100 कैंसिल इज इक्वल टू n minus 1. So 1575 divided by 175 is equal to n minus 1. So 175 into 9 upon 175 is equal to n minus 1. So 175 cancel out. So 9 is equal to n minus 1, and value of n is equal to 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay, so value of n is equal to 10, hence n is 10. Okay, so exercise 5.2 complete. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.